Today in that should say unit 9, sorry, unit 9.2. I'll have to fix that later. So today in unit 9, we are talking about the most basic percent proportion, the one that uses is and of. So as you saw on your reference sheet, our proportion we're going to use will always be is over of percent over 100. So now we know how to fill in each of these places. So each part of the number sentence, 30% of 85, is going to be one of these three places. So the 100 never changes. So I put my 100 right there. And now I look, and the easiest one to find is the percent sign, because if it has a percent sign, that's the number that goes above 100. Then I find the of. This says of 85, so the of is my 85, and 85 goes on the bottom, and then whatever variable I have goes on the top. So the trick is finding where to put each of the three pieces in your percent proportion. Then you cross multiply just like we've been practicing. X times 100 is 100x. 85 times 30 is 2,550. And then we will divide both sides by 100. And so we will get that our missing number is 22.5. So 22.5 is 30% of 85. Now for the second example, same thing. We start our percent proportion. We put our 100 in. Now we figure out where do I put my numbers for 45% of 90. So my of has to be the 90. The 45 is the percent. So I put my one with the percent sign over the 100. And then of is 90, of goes on the bottom, put my variable there, because the variable's in the spot that you're looking for. And then we will cross multiply. We'll get 100x equals 40,050. And then we'll divide both sides by 100 to get x equals 40.5. Now you're going to try 3, 4, 5, and 6. You're going to check your proportion with the Edpuzzle video, and then you're going to check your cross multiplying with the Edpuzzle video. Now we're going to talk about other types. So you might have noticed that on the front of the notes that every one you were given the of and the percentage. Now we're given a little bit different. So it says what percent is 15 of 50. So I start with my proportion frame. I still put my 100 in that spot. And there is no number by the percent. So that's what I'm trying to find. Now I can see that the 15 is by both the of and the is, but the 50 doesn't have anything except for of. So the 50 has to be the of, it goes in the of spot. The 15 has to be the is, it goes in the is spot. So now I just cross multiply again. I will get 50x equals 2,000. Sorry, I got my wrong answer key. Give me 1 second. So 50x equals 1,500. I'm trying to save time on your videos to make them shorter by doing all my calculations ahead of time. Then I divide both sides by 50 to get x equals 30, and it was a percent, so I need my percent symbol. So number 7 is 30%. Now 8 is like the ones on the front, so try number 8, and we're going to do number 9 together right now. So question number 9, I start with my percent frame. 20 is 40% of what? So my percent is 40 because it's what has the percent sign. And of what? That's what we're looking for. So my of is my variable, and is 20, the 20 goes in the is spot. Now I cross multiply. I will get 40x equals 2,000. And then I will divide both sides by 40. And I will get, there we go. And I will get x equals 2,000 divided by 40 is 50. And I thought I was running out of time, so I was writing that really quickly. So if you can't see it, I'm sorry. That does say 2,000 divided by 40. And try number 10. Do work out these questions on your paper before you check it with the Edpuzzle video, because I will be checking to make sure that you have done all of the problems. And you're ready to practice. Good luck.